Welcome to today's video. We are at Sandy and Anthony's house. We are here to clean this. So then, what Scooby is this, Sandy?
This is the 2017 Subaru WRX STI.
So, quick walk around the car. It's not too dirty here. There's a couple of bugs and stuff like that, so we'll just spray that bit with some citrus. We're going to spray the wheels with some citrus cleaner as well. Not really that dirty down there. A little bit of marks there, so we'll spray that with the citrus and do the rear diffuser as well with the citrus. So got the Auto Finesse citrus power, citrus cleaner. Just spray it on here. The diffuser, the exhaust tips. Just on there. Lower bits of the front where there's a few bugs. And we're going to also spray the wheels with this. A little bit on there. So we got our buckets all lined up, pre-filled with water. That's going to be the wash, that's going to be the rinse, that's going to be the wheels, hence the wheel brush. Not put shampoo in that yet because it has a sort of a shelf life. We'll put a bit of shampoo in the wheel one, and we're going to agitate it. So we'll take our wheel brush and just go around and give the wheels a good agitate that citrus, and just clean off the wheel brush. Went ahead and repeated on the other wheels. Yep, pretty much rinse and repeat. Rinse off the wheels. So when you snow foam a car, you should probably leave your car shoe at a safe distance. Anyway, that's all snowed out, that's going to dwell, and whilst that's dwelling, we've got the soapy water with the shampoo in the wheel bucket, and we've got this microfiber spongy thing here. We're going to give the wheels a clean with this on the face and the little spokey bits. So you leave that to dwell for a few minutes. In the meantime, Sandy very kindly left me this. So that's had a few minutes to dwell, so we get the power washer and we're gonna rinse off the car. So car's all pre-washed and rinsed off. Time now to put some of this into this. So wash, because we have this in here and over there, and rinse. So a bit of dirt inside the door jamb, so we'll just get a bit of a spray with the citrus power. Go around to the other side, leave that to dwell, and get this one as well. So what we can do here is we can agitate this with the detailing brush, especially in these dirty areas here. So to rinse that off, yep, power washer. On a trickle. Then we take a clean microfiber and we're just gonna dry that off. So we've got these little bug marks. I don't think the bug marks were little marks anyway. They didn't come off in the wash or the pre-wash. We put a bit more citrus power on and just agitate them with the detailing brush. They're coming off a little bit, not all of them. I think they've been on there a while. Probably need some tyre remover or something. But it's kind of doing the job. So that car's mostly dried itself off, so we've got the finale quick detailer, and we're going to put that on, and we're going to wipe it on with a microfiber cloth and then buff it off with a microfiber cloth. So just sparingly over the panel that you're going to do. A bit of this one as well. So just wipe it all over with the microfiber. Turn it over and buff it off. So the outside's all hit with the quick detailer. We're going to do the same in the door jambs. So we'll just put a bit of that on and then just buff it off with microfiber. So that's the exterior done. Looking nice and shiny in the little bit of sun that we are getting. So now it's time to do inside. So first going to vacuum. So we're going to get out the mats, put them on a dry area. So now got Titan. So the driver's mat, that appears to be attached here. You'd think that was like Preston's, but it's not coming off. So we're going to have to vacuum the mat and fold it over and then vacuum underneath. But all of the mats came out. So next up we got the Verso. This comes concentrated, which you have to mix in your own spray bottle. Try to buy an empty spray bottle. Had to buy one with stuff in. So we're going to take that out and mix some of that in it with some water. So what we have here is not Tesco anti-bac. This is Verso mixed 8:1 with water in a nice spray bottle. Get that in good shape. Got a clean microfiber cloth. Got a bit on there. I'm going to wipe these bits of panel. There you have it, all nice and clean in there, all vacuumed out. Same in here. And Sandy's back.
And Sandy's very happy. Thank you very much.